In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom Salesforce list view so you can quickly focus on the records that matter most to your workflow. Start by opening the object you want to work with, such as accounts, contacts, or leads, and make sure you're viewing the list of records for that object. Near the top of the list, click the List View Controls gear icon and select New to create a new view. Enter a clear name for the list so it's easy to recognize later, while the API name will usually populate automatically. After saving, begin adding filters to define which records should appear, such as records you own, specific statuses, or items created within a certain time frame. These filters make the list dynamic and help keep your data focused and easy to manage. You can also adjust visible columns or pin the list view for quick access depending on your permissions. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.